Hello, my dear students. Today we are going to take lesson 12.7, take apart two-dimensional shapes. Now, how can you take apart two-dimensional shapes? Now, we have Angelina. Angelina put some triangles and rectangles together. She drew pictures to show what she made. Now, I need you to identify or to determine which shapes are triangles. As you remember, we said before that triangles, tri means three. So if I'm searching for a triangle, it should be like this. It should be having three sides, right? And it should have also three vertices or three corners. We can call it corners or vertices. This is how a triangle may look. So the most important criteria of a triangle is that it is a two-dimensional shape that has three sides, three vertices or corners. So now let's look to the two shapes that Angelina created. Now the first shape is, do you remember what is this shape? All of this shape, do you remember what it is? It is trapezoid. Okay? And as we know before, that trapezoid has four sides. Now, Angelina used two different dimensional shapes in order to create this trapezoid. It used rectangles and triangles. Now it's time to identify which shape is a triangle and which shape is a rectangle. You have to color the triangles in purple. So you have to color this shape in purple, this one, because it has how many sides? Let's see. It has 1, 2, 3. So it's a triangle. Excellent. Where is the other triangle in the trapezoid? Excellent. Yes, this is the other triangle. Because it also has three sides or three vertices or corners. Now, we can easily identify where is the rectangle. Now, do you remember how the rectangle looks like? The rectangle has four sides. But what is the difference between a rectangle and a square? Excellent. I can hear you saying that a square has four equal sides. Four sides of the same length. But for the rectangle, you can find that a rectangle has two long sides and two short sides. So the sides of the rectangle are not equal. Now let's color the rectangle. We have to color the rectangle in orange. I know that this may be confusing somehow because this is not a clear rectangle. This is not a clear rectangle, but as it is said in the textbook, Angelina used it rectangles and triangles. So this is supposed to be a rectangle. Okay, now let's move to the other shape. Now the other shape has how many sides? Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Excellent. What do we call this shape? Do you remember? What do we call this shape? Think? Do you remember now? We call this hexagon. We call it hexagon. Okay, now we need to know which shapes are triangles and which shape is a rectangle. Now again, we have said that a triangle should have how many sides? 1, 2, 3. So here we have a shape with 3 sides. 1, 2, 3. So we have to color it in purple. Excellent. So we have to color it in purple. Now let's search for the other triangle. Excellent. This is the other triangle. And as I told you before, a triangle should have how many sides? 3 sides. That's why we say triangle. Because tri means 3. Now, the middle shape, or this shape between the 2 triangles, as you see, it has 2 long sides and 2 short sides. This is excellent. This is a rectangle. So we have to color it in orange. Excellent. So we have to color it in orange. Okay, so I know you can color better than me. Okay.